How to log in Temu account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into Temu account, firstly make sure you have downloaded the Temu application on your device. You can easily download the Temu application on your device from the Play Store or your App Store. Now launch the app. You will see the option for sign in. Tap on that. Now tap on register or sign in with another account if you haven't registered to Temu previously. Now enter your email address or your phone number and tap on continue. Or you can also sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. I will sign in with Google here, so tap on continue with Google and then tap on continue. Now enter your email address and then enter your password and tap on next, and with this you have successfully signed in to Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.